Members of the head table, our specially invited guests, a pleasant morning is extended to you all. As Bob mentioned earlier, my name is Nelsa English Johnson, and I'm the National Project Coordinator from Jamaica. I have been given the awesome responsibility of moving the vote of thanks. It's been 4.5 years of hard work, and we have, through the support of many of who persons in this room this morning, have achieved quite a few successes that will continue to share throughout the rest of this week. So I'll start like this. Firstly, we would like to thank the GEF for providing the funding, the donor funding for making this regional project a possibility. Then we'd like to thank Ms. Kristen McLaughlin, from UNEP, for being our liaison officer, and UNEP for being our implementing agency. We would then like to thank CABI for being our regional executing agency, and of course, the CABI staff, which includes Bob, Anne, Nicholas, Arnie as our IAS advisor, and of course, Denise, who is not here. She's not technically CABI, but she has been our accountant for the regional project. Then we'd like to move to all our regional partners. Of course, there are way too many to name, but there are a few special ones that we would, or I should say extra special ones that we would like to acknowledge. That includes the FAO, ICA, CARICOM, Island Conservation, World Wildlife Fund, Durrell Trust, and the USDA APHIS. Then to the countries. There are 5 countries that have participated in this project. From the Bahamas, the project director, Mr. Michael Brennan, the national project coordinator, Mr. Frederick Arnett II. From the Dominican Republic, we have the project director, Mr. Jose Mateo. We have the national project coordinator, Carlos. We all love Carlos Rijo. From Jamaica, there's my wonderful project director, Mrs. Cherie Simpson. And of course, myself as the project coordinator. From St. Lucia, we have Mr. Michael Bob as the director. And of course, the ever awesome Dr. Ulrike Kraus as the national project coordinator. Then here in Trinidad, we have Ms. Audine Mutu, who is the project director, and we have the vivacious Mrs. Velda Ferguson Dewsbury, who is the national project coordinator for Trinidad. Then, of course, we want to thank all the national partners from the 5 participating countries, whether they were government entities, NGO groups, the private sector, and most importantly, our community stakeholders in our various pilot projects. We would not have been able to have any of the successes that we have enjoyed as the various countries without these persons supporting us. And then, of course, to all the members of the media who have significantly helped us to broadcast our stories and to share the message with the wider, whether it's your country, the wider region, about the impact of invasive alien species. And I had forgotten one set, and that's our friends who are with us from Landcare Research Center in New Zealand, represented here by Drs. Adam Dagno and Philip Brown. Thank you for raising our awareness and building our capacity in how to put that ever important dollar figure to the impact that invasive alien species have on our biodiversity and our economy. So once again, a special thank you to all. We could not have done it without you.